Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ike Akingbola speaking, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 10 things that are going to revolutionize marketing in 2023. There are a lot of things that are going to be changing the face of marketing in 2023, even though it is difficult to exactly predict the things that are going to change marketing in 2023. But it is very important to know that there are some trends that we have noticed in 2022, and these trends can go ahead to change the face of marketing in 2023. And guys, listen to this. It's very important for you to watch this video from the beginning to the end, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up as you are watching it, because what I'm going to be sharing are the tricks and the tips that would help change the way you'll be marketing your product, the way you'll be marketing your business, the way you'll be running ads from 2022, and the way you should be doing it in 2023. So kindly stay all through the video and expect the very best of content this year. So without further ado, let's go into the video. So there's some few things I'm going to be sharing, but I'm going to be focusing on 7 major things that I have researched on, and I think will change the face of digital marketing in 2023. Now let's go to number 1. The first thing that is going to change digital marketing, or marketing as it were, in 2023 is that they're going to be increase in the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now, marketing technology that use AI and machine learning can help business better understand and target their audiences. Is that okay? And optimize their campaign and automate various tasks. So AI will be coming in as a way of switching and changing the way campaigns are being run in the normal way we do it right now. So artificial intelligence are going to be one of the major factors that will change marketing in 2023. And aside that, this in 2023 we are seeing AI to evolve, as it were, to evolve. There are different different AI that are currently coming out, and we are going to see them disrupt marketing. Is that okay? They'll be used to automate certain tasks. They'll be such as data analysis and target specific audience with personalized ads. This could allow marketers to be more efficient and effective in their campaign, potentially leading to better results. So people would get better results when they start using AI, and they are trying to leverage on the advantages that AI provides. And aside that, AI could also be used to improve customer experience by using natural language processing to improve chatbot and other forms of customer service. This could make it easier for customers to get information they need and help to improve brand royalty, as it were. Overall, it is also important that AI continues with the major force they've started with. So there are different in later in the video I'll be explaining a lot about chatbots, but meanwhile there are a lot of different trends that we have seen in 2022 over the last few months, like ChatGPT and the rest, that have been showing autonomous strength in changing the way marketing has been for so long now. The field of marketing is coming, yes, and it's important for businesses to stay up to date on the latest development and find ways to effectively incorporate AI into their marketing strategy. So it is very important for all businesses. The reason why I'm making this video is so that all businesses can start leveraging on the advantages that AI has to offer them. Now, the second number 2 that I'll be sharing today is that it is important that businesses start leveraging on and focus on customer experience. Customer experience is very important, and customer experience is one of the major factors that can change how your business, people see your business. So customer experience is like the intermediate between the business itself and the customer that you are serving. Now, in today's competitive business environment, customer experience is become increasingly important as consumers have more choice and higher expectation for product and service they purchase. In order to stand out from the competitions and retain customer, businesses need to focus on delivering seamless and personalized experience across all touch points. One way to do this is by using customer data and create a more personalized and relevant experience for each customer, individual customer. For example, business might use data that is specific for a customer who has made purchase on their website to release customized messages, personalized messages to this particular customer. That way the customer um, will feel involved and will feel attached to your brand. So that's what you want to do in the next year, in 2023. That's what you want to do in your business. And aside that, another important aspect of customer experience is ensuring that all touch points such as customer websites, social media accounts, and personal stores provide a consistent and similar experience. This can be achieved through the use of technologies like I mentioned, such as AI. AI is going to be, artificial intelligence is going to be one of the major things that will help you to be able to achieve this. Meanwhile, it might not be easy to do this manually, so AI will be the focal point of even talking about your customer experience. Now, overall, by focusing on customer experience and delivering a personalized and seamless experience across all touch points, businesses can differentiate themselves from competitors and improve customer satisfaction and get better results from their service that they are delivering right now. So customer experience is very important, and you must make sure that you are working on improving your customer experience every day. Every time in your business, you are increasing customer experience. Number three, I'm going to be sharing with you is that there's going to be continued growth in social media marketing. Social media platform will likely continue to be an important channel for business to reach and engage to their target audience. Is that okay? So social media platforms have become increasingly important over the year 2022. We've seen increase in the amount of users on all social media platforms. Now, there are several reasons why social media marketing is likely to continue to grow in popularity, even though we've seen some decline in Twitter ads and the rest. But meanwhile, other brands have been increasing over the years. Now, first, social media platforms have a large range and diverse user base, making them an effective way for businesses to reach and engage their target audiences. So, for example, business can use social media to target specific demography, specific location, specific interest, just like you can do on Facebook, specific people who you think would be able to fit into the kind of customers you are looking for. So social media can help you generate that kind of information. So that's why you have to leverage on social media. So I'll be sharing some links up here to show you how you can leverage on social media in the year 2023 when running your ads. Another thing I want you to take note of before I finalize on this number three is that there is going to also, social media is going to be cost effective because of the different competition we have been getting. Facebook might need to cut down a bit on their policies and the rest, which we've been seeing over 2022. Facebook has been kind of softening their policies on some kind of adverts, and also all these things are going to help you to be able to run ads as easily as possible. And there has been always been consistent changes on different platforms as time goes on. Is that okay? So it is very important for you to make sure that you can leverage on social media as much as possible in order to be able to run effective ad. Is that okay? So we're going to be going to number four. Number four, we're going to be talking about something very special and something that I think is very crucial to every business. Is that okay? So there's going to be more emphasis on video content. That's just the truth. In 2023, there's going to be emphasis on video content. So if you don't know how to create video content, don't worry. I'm going to be making videos that will help you. The first thing I want you guys to go and get is Canva. Go to Canva and look for content that relates to Canva. I have some Canva content on my website, or on my I have some Canva content on my YouTube channel. So make sure you go to Canva and start making research on how you can leverage on the use of Canva to start making awesome video content that your clients will need. So there's going to be a large focus or a large concentration of people that will be interested in video content. And in fact, that's the current trend we are currently facing now. We're currently seeing that most people are interested, and the engagement results you get from video content is very high compared to that which you get from other content. So make sure that you are tilting towards making video content for all your adverts and for all those stuffs you're trying to do on social media. So video content is the way to go. So here's Canva. I want you to check it out. Go to canva.com and start maximizing all the different resources that are available on Canva. This is Canva. This is how it looks like. So you can create video content. If you need a paid account, you can reach out to me. I'll help you get access to one. So come here to videos and click on videos, and then you can maximize all the different things that the video content, every kind of video content you have. You have templates that you can start working with. You have different stuff that are available for you there. Wow, I hope you're already enjoying it. So if you're enjoying this already, I want you to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you like this channel. In fact, make sure you subscribe. What are you waiting for? Make sure you subscribe. The next thing we're going to be talking about is very important, and I believe I've mentioned it initially, is about chatbots. Chatbots are going to revolutionize a lot of things. They're going to be changing the conversational marketing for everyone. Chatbots are other conversational marketing technologies, and they can help business to automate customer interaction and provide personalized and timely responses. Chatbots are computer programs designed to stimulate conversation with human users, especially over the internet. They can be integrated into messaging apps, websites, and mobile apps, and are designed to provide quick and accurate responses to customer inquiries and requests. So those are what chatbots does. Another thing about chatbots is that the conventional marketing refers to the use of chatbot and other technologies to engage with customers in a personalized and human-like manner. It allows business to interact with customer in real time, providing timely and relevant information and support. One of the main advantages of chatbot and conventional marketing is the ability to automate customer interaction. This can help businesses save time, resources of handling repetitive tasks and inquiries that are made from human beings. So you need to make sure that chatbot is one of the things. So you have chatbot. You can automate chatbot on Facebook Messenger, on an Instagram Messenger. Chatbot can also be done on WhatsApp. So if depending on the lead magnet and the lead generation techniques you use, either from your website, you can employ the use of chatbot for your business, which is very important. So start thinking of using chatbot today, because they are going to be changing a lot of dynamics in the 2023 market we will be walking into in the next few days. The next thing I would like to talk about is email marketing. Email marketing is already important, but I'm not going to specific about email marketing. I'll be talking about omni-channel. Omni-channel marketing involves using a variety of channels and touch points to reach and engage with customers or your consumers. You understand? So you are using different channels to reach out to your customer. It will become increasingly important for businesses to have consistent presence across all channels. So talking about email marketing, talking about social media marketing, talking about owning a website, it is very important for businesses to be able to reach out to their clients using all these different means. So that's where omni-channel comes into play. Is that okay? It's a strategy that you cannot play with it in 2023. You cannot play with omni-channel. You need to use every means possible. Your WhatsApp status, social media accounts, your email marketing, your website. If you don't have a website, you start pushing to get a website. It is very important. As consumers become more connected and use a wider variety of channels to interact with business, it will become increasingly important for business to adopt omnichannel approach. This is because customers expect to be able to interact with a brand in the same way across all channels, and they may become frustrated if their experience differ from one channel to another. For example, if a customer sees an advertisement for a product on social media, they may want to be able to purchase it immediately, either through the same social media platform or through brand website. If the brand does not have consistent presence across all channels, or if the customer experience differs significantly from one channel to another, it can lead to a poor customer experience and may discourage them from making a purchase. So you don't want this to happen in the year 2023. So you need to adopt omni channel. So to effectively implement omni channel, it's very important that you create a strategy to do that. Businesses need to have a clear understanding of their customer preference and behavior across all channels. They should also ensure that their marketing messages and branding are consistent across all channels. So your consistency is what is important when it comes to mini channel. What you do on Facebook, you must make sure you repeat on Instagram. What people see on Instagram, they must see on Twitter. So your branding must be consistent and must be touch top notch. No matter what you do, you must make sure your branding is consistent so that people won't be seeing the difference in what you are doing. Number 7 thing I'm going to be sharing today is very important as well, and is something that is very important as it has been trending for a while now. It is influencer marketing. Influencer marketing has a potential of changing the dynamics of it. In fact, it has already changed the dynamics of marketing in the year 2022. We have had increased number of influencers across board on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, on Telegram. Yes, on Telegram, there are a lot of influencers around. So start making research on the best influencer you can use for your product. So number 8 I'm going to be sharing with you is just going to be some of I'll just give you a brief touch on some of those things, and we'll just round it all up. Now there's going to be increased use of virtual and augmented realities. So we're going to be expecting the metaverse and all in 2023. There's going to be number 9, there's going to be a greater focus on sustainability and social responsibility. So a lot of people will be giving account for whatever they do on social media. So in summary, I want to summarize this way that whatever you do in 2023, just be consistent and be dedicated to your craft. Be original as much as possible. Don't let make sure your brand is unique. Make sure you are known for what you're doing. Is that okay? So be consistent all through what you do in 2023. And I hope this video has been very helpful. So what are you waiting for? Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you click on the notification bell so that I can get notified whenever I release new contents like this. I'll see you in other videos. Thank you.